what's up? I'm Jaleesa and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do a get ready with me because I haven't done one in a really long time. So I just want to play around with some makeup, do a really nice fresh look, and then do my hair, style my hair for I guess what would be, I don't know, where I'm going in a pandemic, but I really just wanted to do some hair and makeup. So before we do it, Lenny says hi because you know he can't miss a video. So before we get started, I just wanted to touch on some of the jewelry pieces that I'm wearing today by Ana Luisa, who's sponsoring this video. So all of the jewelry I'm wearing is from Ana Luisa. I have on the curb chain necklace, and this is the Atom Bold. It's $76 on sale. I also have on the Crescent Moon Huggy Hoops, and these are in Celeste. So they're super cute. You can see you have the moon here on one side, and then there's just like a star, twinkling star on the other side. This set is $64 on sale. And then I have on the gold twist ring, and this is the rope slim in the size 8. This one's $42 on sale. And what I really love about Ana Luisa's jewelry is that it's just, first of all, they're beautiful pieces. They don't tarnish, so you're gonna get a lot of wear out of them. And they also have a really great warranty, so if anything happens, if your pieces, you know, start to tarnish, then you can go ahead and contact them and they'll replace them for you. So I think it's definitely a great investment, especially if you're into jewelry like I am. Jewelry is one of my favorite things to accessorize my outfits with. I'm always wearing my earrings, dangly earrings, a necklace, and a handful of rings. So I think it's just really great to personalize. So you can buy this for yourself, or you can gift this to your mom, your sister. They also have men's pieces, so you can gift it for whoever you're with. You know, it's a really great gift. I think jewelry is always a great gift. So everything on the website right now is 15% off, which is great because savings. Don't we all love savings? So pick something up for yourself and pick something up for someone that you love. A nice gift is always appreciated. And I'm in love with their necklaces because they look and feel like 100% solid gold, but they're gold plated, and I have spent racks on solid gold necklaces that look like this. So why not get something that, you know, has that similar look, but you know, is more affordable. So let's get into the makeup. My skin is completely prepped. I put on my moisturizer, and I'm gonna start with the eyes. So before we start, I'm just gonna go ahead and put all the products down below so I don't have to like list them or talk about them. I'll just put them all down below. So I'm taking concealer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this under the eye and then on the eyelid. And then I have a damp sponge. This is from Eco Tools. And I'm just gonna pat that in. So this is basically gonna be the base for my eyeshadow. Wow, the light just like, the sun just dipped. Did you see that? Whew, that was crazy. So now that we have that into place, I'm gonna dip into my eyeshadow. So I'm using the Natasha Denona palette, and this is the Peak palette. And I really like this brown right here. I think that looks really pretty. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush. And these shadows are extremely pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. And then I'm just gonna gently kind of start blending that upwards. I really only want to use one palette, so I'm just going to try to stick to this one. I'm going to take some of this kind of peachy shade here, pinky coral, and I'm just going to put that on top. And it'll bring like a little bit of warmth to that brown. Guys, I'm sorry the light is all over the place today, but I like natural light because you can really see what it looks like, you know, so I was going for fresh and natural. I don't know how we got here. Okay, so once we have something like that nice and blended, I'm just gonna go ahead and run some brow gel through just so I can kind of get the shape and then see what I need to fill in. And then once it's a little bit dry, I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in. And I just want to clean up under the brow, so I'm taking the same concealer and just like a sharp brush. This is a Kelly Baker brush, just to clean up under the brow. Okay, so brows are on. It's a little dark, but it's all good. I like it. So let's go into foundation. And I'm in love with this foundation. This is one of the best foundations I've ever used. It's the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. It's so good. I never put foundation on my forehead. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, this foundation is so bomb. I just can't believe it sometimes. Like, NARS already makes the best foundations, but then they really snapped when they made soft matte. Like, snapped. So I know it's about to be Valentine's Day, so, and it's kind of rough because there's still, you know, like stay-at-home orders everywhere. So some really cute ideas that I've seen are to do like virtual dates, which I know it's not the real thing, but to keep everyone safe, you know. But if you have been, you know, quarantined with someone, there's always drive-through movies. You could always do, if your beach is, well, see, I live on the West Coast, so I'm thinking the beach. Most people can't go to the beach. But you could do an at-home dinner, which I think is a little bit more cute because you can set up the dinner yourself, you know, and like, it's just more intimate. That way, I don't know, there's so many interesting things, so many ideas. While this is sitting baking for a quick sec, let's do some blush. I like it kind of here, like up high. So I end up knocking off some of that baking powder, but that's fine. I don't like to bake for too long because then I start to look dry. Okay, so let's finish up the eyes. I want to do just a brown chocolatey winged liner to complement the brown chocolatey eyes. So let's just do that. I've been painting a lot recently, but experimenting with watercolors, and it's been really fun. So I'm thinking about just recording myself playing around doing that, the watercolors, because I feel like doing oil paintings for the painting with Jaleesa, it just takes too long because oils have to dry in between layers. And I just kind of want to get the video done so I can give it to you guys, and you end up waiting so long just because the paint and the whole situation. So I figured if I just did painting with Jaleesa, but in water. Who? Sorry about that. I've been actually in the process of interviewing for a couple of shows that are on Netflix. So every time they call, I'm like, hello. So yeah, I've been kind of going back and forth, just trying to find which show would be the best fit, you know. I don't want to just kind of do anything, and they want to make sure that whatever show that I'm on, you know, it's gonna be the best. It's gonna work. You get what I mean? So we've been going back and forth since about October with traveling. Has made it very strange because, you know, America is banned from a lot of countries, or was banned. I don't know if we still are. We were banned from a lot of countries, so it made traveling a little hard. Okay, so I just did a thin coat of mascara. I want to set everything and then do the mascara again. And while all that's drying, let me just move on to the lip. So I'm taking this lipstick. This is from Gucci. It's the Rouge Levres. Levres. I've been practicing my French on Duolingo. Anyway, it's the Painted Veil. It looks like this, so it's like a muted pink. And I'm gonna put that all over. I was going to line first, but I'll put it on first so I can see what it looks like and then figure out what liner works best. I think maybe like a darker. This one is Makeup Forever Total Taupe. Actually want to pat some of that down. And then I'm going to put a lighter lipstick on top. So this one is Pixi from Victoria Beckham. This is just going to go right in the middle. So I guess it did end up kind of looking fresh, you know, like fresh and light. Okay, so here's the makeup. Like I said, really simple, really fresh and light. So let's get into the hair. So for hair, I haven't thought too much about it. Do I want to do an updo? You know, do I want to wear it down? Do I want to do a bun? So much hair. I don't want to just do a ponytail, but I feel like that's kind of boring, isn't it? Okay, so I have some hair products. These are from Jane Carter. So let me see what I want to start with, actually. Ooh, I like that idea. This is the Revitalizing leave-in conditioner. So let me put this, spray this here in the front. I don't know why it's coming out like that. I don't like that. Hold on, let me just put it in my hand. Oh, it's squirting like a beam. It's not like a mist. Okay, I feel like my hair needed that though, for real. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this Nourish and Shine Restorative Butter because I have leave out in the front and here in the middle, and my hair is very dry. So you always want to moisturize with some water and then seal in that moisture with an oil or a butter. Take some of that too. And then seal in that water with some of the butter, just so I have some moisture to start with. And then what I'm gonna do is kind of gently smooth my hair back. I don't want to brush it or anything. I don't think it's that deep. And I'm gonna take a ribbon tie, only because it's easier to tie my hair around and tighten. So I'll show you what I mean. Taking the ribbon and then push it back and then tighten it, because it's just so much hair that it doesn't make any sense to use like a traditional scrunchie, you know. Just tie that around. I know that's so boring, but this is where we are right now. So let's do a little bit of water. As you can see, that just brings this shape back. Gives it life already. So here's the final look. Really simple and fresh. I thank you all so much for watching, and for Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!